We have recently hired Constellation Marine to do a full yacht survey for us in Montenegro. The whole process was done in a very professional manner. They were very prompt, very diligent, and kept me updated on a daily basis. The nice thing about it is I did not need to be physically in Montenegro because the whole survey was done live via Skype. It was a very innovative way that is new to this industry. It saved me time.
Stories across the sky drew all